Hey, what's going on, YouTubers? We're here at the cemetery doing some oil changes and maintenance on the equipment, and I have a Stihl weed whacker that the shaft inside breaks and the head won't work. So a lot of people, this happens to them, they don't understand what's up and they throw it out and they'll go buy a new one. So I'm going to show you not a quick fix, I'm going to show you the fix and the part number on how to do it. And Stihl does not sponsor me or anything. I just do my own maintenance, save some money here and there like a lot of you people. But here it is. What I'll do is give me a second and I'll start it and show you what it's doing. Not good. Not good. Sounds like, ugh. Yep, so, today, if we can get this set up, I don't have my tripod or anything with it, but today what we're going to do is we're going to fix this, and we're going to see if we can get it back to sounding a little better. Alright, just give me a second here. Alrighty. So, you're going to need a 5/30, what is this? 5/16 socket. Right behind here, there's a little bolt. Yeah, I'll bring it in. That right there. We're going to want to take that off. Take this off. Yeah, it's raining, crappy day. Tried mowed about an hour and the rain came. And we're gonna wanna, let me just take this apart in case. You gotta get this this baby comes see if I get my vice grips maybe. I don't have much tools up here, it's not my garage. But literally, we gotta take this off. A second. Alright. What you gotta do is pull really hard. Or take these and bang it with a hammer, but you just pull this out real hard. And in here, you get see if we have any pliers. Just reach up in here. Uh-oh. Now we got a little bit of a problem. It's really broken. See if I can. See if I can maybe tap it out. Alright, hold on, let me get a flashlight. Alright, so we had to do a few more bolts and take the whole shaft off. Simple. I'll show you how to put it back. But I'm gonna take this. And the whole thing comes right out. Okay, I'm going to put the shaft back together. shaft back in there. I'm just gonna tighten up a couple bolts. I'm gonna go get the other part and I'll show you. I'll be right back. I'm gonna pause it. All right, I went and grabbed the part. Here's the part number. The whole part. So you want to shove that right through the shaft. Hold on. Hold on a second. Got something stuck. Sorry. Goes in. Just gotta like fish it through because it's never had that problem. And I take my pliers, just twist it a little bit. Should be set there. You gotta come back and get this baby. Pull this out a little bit. Pinch. Put this baby on. Okay. You want to put your bolt back in here. That's it. Give him a little ratchet, hand ratchet. Just see how it works. There we go. Back in action. Simple as that, guys. Check it out. Fixed. Time to go weed whack. Goodbye. Well, now that everything is working, I just want to adjust this little bolt. I put a little Loctite. I forgot to put a little Loctite on it. Not that you need it, but I like to put a little bit sometimes. I'll throw this back on. Forgot to throw it on for you guys to show you. Okay. Good to go. That's about it. Like I said, let me look for the part number. Stihl does not sponsor me or anything. I did it myself. I just do it. LB's property maintenance my own stuff. But thanks for watching. If you have any comments or problems, let me know. I could help you. If not, maybe you can help me. Show me a trick. But all right, there it is. Stihl weed whacker fix. Bye-bye now. Oh, like, comment, subscribe. Thank you to all. Appreciate it.